A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masquera say. So let us talk about the demo. Bulawayo. There was a demo which was scheduled for the 23rd of October in Bulawayo, where CCC was supposed to actually hand over a petition to the Minister of State in the Bulawayo province. But that march or that demonstration has been barred by the police. According to ZimLive, they say police deny the Citizens Coalition for Change permission to hold street demonstrations in Bulawayo on 23 October. So this is the breaking news at this moment in time. And let us go through this police memo. It's very important for us to actually do so that we get to understand kuti mapurisa ambuti chii chaizvo. So I don't know if it is going to be so clear in terms of per screen pangu, in terms of its nature, so, but I'm going to read for you. So let me try to read. It says, notification of intention to hold a peaceful demonstration to petition Minister of State and Devolution, Bulawayo Province, at Mhlahlandela Government Complex on the 23rd of October 2023 from 1000 hours to 1400 hours. The office acknowledges the receipt of your notification to hold a peaceful demonstration to petition Minister of State, Bulawayo Province, dated the 16th of October 2023. Please note that your notification does not comply with the mandatory provisions of the Maintenance of Peace and Order Act, MOPA. Be guided accordingly. So this is the notification, Team Zimbabwe. This is a response to the notification they made to the police where they were seeking clearance to have that demonstration, which means the 23rd demonstration cannot proceed at this moment in time. We do not know how CCC is going to handle this. Are they going to court to challenge this ban or any other action they are going to take? We are not privy. So let me go through the comments, and we don't need permission. Let's just go masrizi. Naharambe, since when did the police Zimbabwe approve the gathering of opposition in this country, be it peaceful or campaign? And what permission? And in Zim demonstrations, as long as they are not pro-ZANU, they are banned, period. Okay, asking for permission to protest in Zimbabwe and expecting the regime to say yes, please, is wild business. Why do they bother? Okay, good, it has to go on that their approval. Rights are fought for, not negotiated. Nothing is approved by the regime. Notification was just for formality. It is going on as planned. Okay, this is Sandy. Police in ZANU-PF, we have the right to demonstrate. Enough is enough. Everyone must flood the street. No more asking permission from the junta government. They know that they rigged elections. Let's raise up. Enough is enough. So why do we have to negotiate our right, guys? We need to fight for them. So the matter is in the court, is indeed. And the police is an extension of the regime machinery. It's tomfoolery to expect them to agree to such. Defiance should be the new norm, and CCC, unless it's full of cowards. Okay, so the constitution is more powerful than police Zimbabwe. CCC Zimbabwe must go ahead with demonstrations. Okay, so these are the contributions Team Zimbabwe. Everyone is saying zvakaoma zvakadaro ngatingoitai kuti zvifambe zvakadaro. I don't know, guys, what you think about this whole thing, but our duty is to report, is to tell you what is really happening. So in conclusion, the police Zimbabwe said no to the scheduled demonstration of Citizens Coalition for Change, which they had applied for the 23rd of October 2023. So signing out, let us meet in other episodes as well as other podcasts. In the comment section, please don't forget to drop your thoughts and your views regarding this whole matter. Please don't forget to share, to like, to comment, and most importantly, to subscribe this channel.